and I'm here to show you this Kate Spade top handle bag. It's a small box type bag from the retail. As you can see, it has this square tag, and right now it's no longer available in their website. I'll give you more details about it. The material is textured PVC with small grain textured leather trim. Pinch flap lock. So the interior, it comes with this dust bag. This pink dust bag from Kate Spade with drawstring in green color. The hardwares are in pale gold. This is the back, and you can carry it two ways. One with this tap handle and another one with the leather crossbody strap, which is adjustable and detachable. For the interior, it has the fabric lining in light pink color, and there's this multifunctional pocket wherein you can place in some cards. Now let's take the dimensions. Length is around 6.5. Height is 6 inches. And the width is 3 inches. This is called the Kate Spade Voyage tap handle in cucumber multicolored. All current phones would fit way bigger than the phone. So if your phone is bigger, this is iPhone 10. If your phone is bigger, you can put it diagonally. But I'm sure all types of phones would fit in since it has that 3-inch width. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up sign, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Also, tick on the notification bell so that you'll get updated every time we post new videos. Bye! Take care!